Hi everyone, and welcome back to Grow Kit. So it's been a couple of weeks since my last video, but I have been busy in the garden, sorting out the veg patch and planting out things and stuff. So I thought I'd give you a full update today on everything I've got growing. So I will turn the camera around and we'll make a start. Alright guys, I've built this area here and dug to put more tomatoes and cucumber in. I'm just going to tie them up on this wire and train them up to grow up that. So they've been out here about a week now and they seem perfectly fine at the moment. Both of them have got flowers on, or did have. And they're not showing any signs of being damaged from the cold or anything. So this one is starting to look curled up a little bit, but that's quite normal. And cucumber, which is a crystal apple, I've got him out here as well. That's doing quite well at the moment. These are both Costoluto Fiorentino, these tomatoes. So I dug this area for them and I planted some of my beetroot out underneath. I'm not expecting much because it was starting to die off where I left it in the pot for too long. So I will keep you updated on them and I will show you something else. So this is the other bed that I made recently, and at the moment I've just got Brussels sprouts and onions, and I've sown carrot seeds, but the carrots haven't come up yet. But the Brussels sprouts and the onions are doing well at the moment. I'll come out here every day and check for caterpillar eggs, because they can just destroy these apparently. That's Brussels sprout as well, just a little one. And these are the onions. They seem to be doing well in here, getting a bit bigger now. All Brussels sprouts along here. No sign of the carrots yet, but they can take a while to germinate sometimes. I may need to water this, it's getting a bit dry. So that's that guys. I'll show you the fruit area next. Alright, so this is the fruit area. This is just where I keep all my fruit bushes at the moment. They're all in pots because I want to take them with me when we move. So I'll start from this end. This one here is raspberry. Couple of years old now, I think. I've had it 2 years. It's got a fair few buds and flowers starting to come out on here. So I'm hopeful that I will get some nice raspberries this year. And this one here is a tayberry. This was new this year, but does have a berry forming on it, which will most likely fall off. Saying that though, there's another one there, so we might get a couple. This one here is a blackcurrant I got this year, and that one is a blackcurrant I also got this year. And they're both doing well. I don't know what these black specks are on everything, but I think they've come from the rain or something, I don't know. But that's a gooseberry bush over there. It's doing alright. I haven't seen any flowers on this yet, but we might get some. It's not been too successful, the gooseberry, actually. That's my rhubarb there. So he's doing well. This was new this year, so I'm not going to harvest anything. Right, there's lots of stalks on there. Not too big yet, but next year when the crown's more established, it should be bigger. That's my grapevine. That's just starting to, the leaves are just starting to come out on this. And there's a couple more down here and here. So it is alive. This one of these is a white currant and one is a red currant. I've given up trying to remember which one's which, but we'll just wait and see. There's not many flowers on it yet, but I have seen a couple, so we might get a little bit of fruit off of it. If I find a flower, I'll show you. There's a berry. There's one. We'll see how it goes. Anyway, so that's the fruit. So I'll keep you updated on that. And I will show you something else. Alright, so these are my 2 no-dig slate beds that I made. And both of these have got, this one here is just potatoes. 3 rows down here, and they're all starting to come up. Well, most of them. In fact, that one has started to come up now, so that's every single one of them, which is good. So I'll keep you updated on them. I'm gonna earth them up with some leaves, I think, that I collected last autumn. And again, potatoes along here. A couple more Brussels sprouts. And my garlic. That's doing well. Starting to bulb up nicely, as you can see there. These are a giant variety. I'm not sure what variety, but they were a giant bulb. These are my lettuce. I think they've got a bit hot the last few days. It's been 20 degrees here, but they're doing alright. I wasn't sure if they were going to make it, but they are growing. Nothing's eaten them yet, which is a shock to me. I haven't seen many slugs or anything this year yet. I'm sure there's time for them to come out. Everything else is just weeds that you can see in there. So I've got a couple more things I'll show you, so I'll get back to you in a minute. So these are my strawberries, and they're all doing well. We've got our first fruits forming and a fair few flowers. The variety is Hanoi, and I think they're going to be quite a large variety. So looking forward to eating some of them. I'll get back to you in a sec. Right guys, so I've been planting out tomatoes, cucumbers, watermelons and sunflowers into pots. So I've just reused some of this plastic which I had, and I've just wrapped it around just to protect them from the wind and the cold, just a little bit. That's the fig tree, which was affected by frost, which has come back stronger than ever. As you can see, it's doing really well now. was worried I was going to lose it. But this was a fig tree cutting I took. And these tomatoes, there's one of each in here. So there's one Roma and one Costoluto Fiorentino. And they're both doing well. This is a 40 litre pot. So I think I should be alright with 2 in here. I'm sure I will be, but probably could have just done 1 in that pot. But we'll see how they go. These are watermelons. What's left of them. One died. This one here I killed almost because I couldn't get it out of the pot and I was pulling it and I broke a load of the roots around the stem. But I've planted in here and it is bouncing back. See, it's got all these are new. There's a new growth, so it's not dead. But I did trim off the top because it died. This one's doing a bit better. Still not great, but we'll see how they go. Anyway, I've sowed some more watermelon seeds just around the base of them. So if these do die, then hopefully they will germinate and grow well. So this one here is cucumbers. There's Market More, which is the one that's doing really well, and Crystal Apple. The Market More one's designed to go outside more so than the Crystal Apple, so hence why it's doing better. And the random beetroot, which I planted in there just because I can. These are seed grown. These are great seed. Sorry, it's really windy today, guys. I'm hoping there's not too much wind noise. But yeah, these are grapes that we're sowing from seed, and these are sunflowers. They're getting battered by the wind at the moment. They're not liking it too much. This one here is looking fine. But that one there is looking a bit wilted. I'll have to give them some more water in a minute and hope this wind dies down. But they're my sunflower challenge ones, so I'm hoping they don't die. And over here is another sunflower. Being battered by the wind. And they don't really like wind, so we're 200 foot up, halfway up a hill, so we get a lot of wind, so I might have to find somewhere more sheltered for the sunflowers. Anyway guys, I'm going to show you my chickens now, which we've got. We got them recently. I'll put chicken manure in the bottom of all these pots. I'll put a couple of spades in each one, so hoping that'll feed them. Right, so these are our chickens. We've got 4 hens and a cockerel, and at the moment we're getting 4 eggs a day and plenty of chicken manure for my veggies. So, I'm going to do a video soon because I made this chicken run here. Well, me and my wife made this and we recorded the process, so keep an eye out for that video on making a chicken coop, and we made the run as well. They seem quite happy out here. I'll just move them around the garden. We do let them out, but today they're in their run. Anyway guys, I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright guys, so thanks a lot for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I've got a few more videos being made at the moment. One I'm doing is making my own fertiliser. So keep an eye out for them. Thanks a lot everyone for watching, and thank you for commenting and liking on my videos. And most of all, thank you for subscribing. So anyway, that's it for this episode. So I'll see you next time. Have a great weekend, and I will see you later.